students, coming towards the next topic of partnership basic concept. In last video we have learned about the partnership definition, partnership deed, what are the provisions in presence of partnership deed, what are the provisions in absence of partnership deed. Okay, now in this video we will learn that how partners capital account we have to prepare. Okay, how partners account we have to prepare, and what is the format of that, what all things are there in partners capital account. So let's begin. So in this chapter, the next topic is preparing partners capital account. So preparation of partners account can be done by two ways: when the partners are having their capital fixed and when the partners are having their capital fluctuating. Fixed means for the whole year they are not going to change their capital. Fluctuating means in the middle of the session they are going to be introduce some capital. So fluctuating capital methods, capital is going to be changed. Fixed capital method, capital is not going to be changed. So both these are two methods of preparing partners capital account. Now from both these methods different formats are given. Okay, so when partners is having fixed capital, two accounts we have to prepare. Listen carefully. When partners is having fixed capital, they have to prepare two accounts. First one is partners capital account and second one is partners current account. Okay, so that we will move the partners current account we will make afterwards. Next, first we are going to make is partners capital account. This one format is given here. Date, particular, JF, amount. Maybe two partners are there. So here I have written AB. Date, particular, JF, amount. This is debit side and this is credit side. Okay. Now what things we have to mention in this account? By balance BD, opening balance, opening capital. So whatever capital is mentioned in the question, that we have to write down here as an opening balance. Suppose take an example that A and B have started business, they are having the partnership deed and A's capital is 5 lakh rupees, B's capital is 10 lakh rupees. So that opening balance capital we have to start with the question. We will start question with opening balance capital. By balance BD, 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees we are going to write down. After that, if in the middle of the session, in the middle of the accounting period, they are going to introduce fresh capital in the business, then that we are going to write down by bank additional capital, that extra amount we are going to write down there. In partners capital account, from fixed method, only capital we have to mention. Okay, only capital. Here capital written, opening balance, here we have written the additional capital. Now what we are going to write down? If there is permanent withdrawal of capital. Listen carefully, if there is permanent withdrawal of capital, that only will be written here. And I think that in your course that is not there. So, means any question related to that is not given. That's what I am telling. And that we have to write down. Otherwise, the balancing figure will come. If it is given, then balance the amount and balance CD we are going to write down. Okay, I think that this partners capital account is clear to everyone. Now, in fixed method, two accounts I told you. One is partners capital account, second is partners current account. Okay, so next we are going to make a partners current account. Now here is the next method, that is partners capital account. When it is fixed, two accounts we have to make. First is capital, now second is the format of, this is the format of partners current account. Okay, now what we have to write down in current account? And one thing I would like to tell you is that whenever partners capital account is made, it is from partners point of view. Okay, listen to it carefully. Whenever the partners capital account is made, it is from partners point of view. Means partners all profits will be credited, partners all expenses and losses will be debited. Okay, so let's begin. This is partners current account. Current account balance, if it is given in the question, like A's current account, B's current account balance, if it is given, you are going to mention it here. If it is not given, okay, we will begin with whatever the profits are there for the partners, like they are going to earn salary, commission, profit from the business, that all things we are going to write down in the credit side. So salary, write down if it is given. Commission, write down after calculation. Profit and loss appropriation balance. If some profit is given in the question, that you have to divide it in their profit sharing ratio and you have to distribute here and write down the separate amount of both the partners. And balance CD, if balancing figure will come in the debit side, that we have to write down. Now what we are going to write down in the debit side? Okay, so what are the losses or what are the things that will make partners capital less? So that is, if in case opening balance is debit, then debit current balance we are going to write down here. Drawings is going to reduce the partner capital. So that drawing we are going to write down in the debit side. Okay, suppose 5 lakh rupees partner's capital is there and they are going to withdraw the amount from their capital as 50,000 rupees. So their capital is going to reduce. That's amount we have to write down here. Drawing 50,000 rupees. If it is given in the question, then write down here. And in that drawing, they have to provide interest also. So that interest on drawing, calculate the amount and write down here. After that, we are going to provide loss. If in question profit is there, provide profit in the credit side. If in question it is loss, then provide it here. Okay, write down the loss, distribute them into the partner's capital ratio or whatever ratio it is given, profit sharing ratio, distribute here, and balancing figure you just take out, balance CD. If credit balance will be there, here we have to write down. If debit balance will be there, here we have to write down. So from first method we have learned what all things we have to study. Now second method, when partners capitals are fluctuating, that we are going to learn now. Okay, now partners capital account we are going to make from second method, when capitals are fluctuating. When partners capitals are fluctuating, it will be mentioned in the question clearly, okay, that partners capitals are fixed or partners capitals are fluctuating. So if fluctuating capital is there, only one account we have to make, that is called partners capital account. Now what is the format of partners capital account? This is the format. What all things we have to write down? So firstly we are going to write down the capital, opening capital, bank amount if additional capital has been introduced, write down salary, commission, profit and loss appropriation balance. If profit is there, credit side we are going to mention. Debit side, drawings given in the question, interest on drawing we have to calculate. Okay, then profit and loss, if it is loss, then interest on capital, here I forget to write down interest on capital also, because it is a profit for the partners, no, that they are going to get interest on their capital. So interest on capital also we have to mention in previous that also format also. Okay, interest on capital also we have to provide to the partners in the credit side. So this is all about the format of partners capital account when partners capitals are fluctuating. I hope that these two accounts are clear to everyone. If it is not, once again you just go through the video or drop a message. I will make it clarify that what all things you are facing problem in this video. So in next video, now we are going to learn the PL appropriation account. That format we will learn, and after that one by one calculation of interest on drawing, interest on capital, then interest on loan. After that the past adjustment questions, the journal entries, that all things we are going to complete one by one by the videos. Okay, I hope that these all things are clear to everyone. Okay, thank you.